My name is Kandaruku Steven. Today briefly I would like to take you through how to insert a list of table and list of figures. Before you can do that, you should be able to have your document at hand, and so here I have my document which is in Word form. So you open your document. Okay. You open your document. After creating opening your document, you create a new page where you can insert your table of list of tables and list of figures. Create a new page. So here I have my new page where I'm going to insert my list of tables and list of figures. After creating your new page, then you type a list. Okay, before you type, you go to reference. Okay, you go to references, then you type list of tables. If you are starting with a list of tables, then you enter, because this is where now the list of tables will enter. And then you go to insert the tables of figures. So here you can see you have print preview, you have figure 1 up to figure 5. Okay, so the format start from the template. Then you need to label the caption. You are starting with the table, so you are not starting with the figure, so you have to change this to tables, and then you click OK. So here you can see it is saying that no table of figures entries found. It is because this table here, this document here, does not have figures. Otherwise, when you click enter insert the tables, then your list of tables will be able to appear in this blank sheet here. And you do that for the same. Okay, you can do that for the same for the list of figures. You do the same. You click on insert table of figures. Okay, so here you are not now entering. Okay, here you are entering now the figures from figure 1 up to figure 5. You can see there is the template which has a figure 1 to figure 5. So you are entering figure, so you enter. There is no list of figures found. Now you can do it for tables. So you go to insert the tables. So instead of entering your caption label have been figures, it should be now be what? Tables. Then you should be able to enter your list of tables should be able to appear also in the in the column. If your document has everything, but this is what I'm having is not a standard document which has the list of tables and a list of figures. That is why it is saying entries not found. Otherwise, in a standard document which has the tables and the figures, you should be able to get your list of tables and list of figures just displayed here by following these simple procedures. First, you open your document. After opening your document, you go to references. Then you type list of tables. If you are starting with the list of tables, then you go to insert tables. Okay, so here it is figures appearing. You can only change that by changing the caption label. And then you say instead of figures, I'm starting with what? Tables. So you can see now it has changed to what? Tables. So you press enter. Oh, okay. So you are the list of table. Okay, number of table. Okay, tables. Table of figures should be able to what? Should be able to appear here. And then you do the same for. You do the same when you want to enter for figures, and everything will get displayed here. This is a simple way how you can make enter your list of table and list of figures. Thank you very much for listening.